All right, this has been an interesting venture here. I finally learned how to set up the Taranis radio so I could have a master and a slave for a trainer. And so far, everything seems to be working just fine. I set up the Miniquad after I had already gone through and checked out the Ritespec that was using the JR radio, and it has a trainer switch on it. For the Taranis, you have to actually set up a different profile and then have all the mixtures set up to the trainer, which basically leads in the trainer channel functions from this right here, which you have all the channels already set. So as you can tell, I've already got basically, oh yeah, the cord's already going up again, but I just want to kind of show this real quick. I've got this set up already for, as I said, doing this right here with the arming switch. So essentially, see, it already arms it. On there, it doesn't really show much of anything except for, yeah, oh, okay. Anyways, it's already set into horizon mode. I've got, basically that's stabilized mode, horizon, and yeah. Okay. Now I also set it up here with this right here. This is basically your turtle mode, or basically the one that gets you out of the tree. Flip it up like this, and then this way it'll turn on the beeper as well. You go like this, and hey, there you go. Then you go like this. Thanks to Mr. Hank and everything else getting me set up with that. Actually, it seems like it'll be a real blessing when I go ahead and get this thing all set up properly. But yeah, heck, I think everything's working pretty darn good. Boom. Now all I have to do is just go take the thing out and go have some fun with it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's plugged into the trainer port here. I've got this plugged into the trainer port here, and yeah, there it goes. It shows the little plug-in symbol with the it looks like an M with a little plug, and it's the same thing with this right here. So it tells you that both of them are connected together. And as soon as I let's say change anything like on here, boom. Trainer signal lost. Yeah, see, it tells me that I've lost all the telemetry coming from the trailer. So that comes back up. Boom, boom, boom. Signal recovered. There you go. I think I'm in business. But yeah, it took me a little bit to kind of figure out how to get the trainer set up going on this. So other than that, let's go have some fun with it. So, all right.